Check out these marimba ringtones of the most popular tracks right now. Set one of these as your next ringtone today. Hotline Bling makes one of the coolest ringtones you could ever download. Download it right now to impress all of your friends. Chill with Kevin Gates with his song 2 Phones. Check out this awesome ringtone. Download it now. Designed and released Panda early 2016. By far one of the dopest ringtones you could ever slap. Download it now. Chill with Fifth Harmony and their song Work From Home. Download this awesome ringtone and have a blast whenever it comes on. With a modern classic, Kanye West has Niggas in Paris. Play this ringtone to show all your homies what's up. Cut it with OT Genesis and show all your friends this dope ringtone. Cruising down the street in his 6'4", Easy is by far one of the dopest rappers. Download this ringtone now. With Drake's awesome new songs, there's always something you can love. Download this dope, awesome ringtone that is sure to get you moving. Download this awesome ringtone of Work to get everybody excited. Check out this sick ringtone. Download this and